If you're thinking about getting a NAS, take a look at this 01 Pro 4-bay desktop NAS that is currently $224.39 during Amazon Prime Day. The NAS has an Intel N100 processor. It comes with 8 GB of DDR4 memory and is expandable to 16 GB, dual 2.5 GB LAN ports. In addition to the 4 hard drive bays, there are 2 NVMe slots. The NAS does come with an OS, but you also have the capability to install your own OS. I purchased this NAS several months ago and I was able to install TrueNAS and Zimmer OS without a problem. I will put together a more in-depth video covering that. This NAS normally retails for around $399 on Amazon. So when I saw that it was only $224.39 during Prime Day, I wanted to put together this quick video. I believe this NAS is a good alternative to the more expensive Ugreen. If you're interested in purchasing this NAS, I'll put a link in the video's description. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe because like I said, I'm going to do an in-depth video on this NAS coming soon.